We are not a building. We're people making things happen. We're M-SParc. We add to the life and economy of a region and form partnerships that stretch beyond geography. Together, we grow and inspire. M-SParc is a Bangor University company. We work together to bring new ideas to life. Companies who call M-SParc home hire graduates take on interns and use university knowledge, research and expertise to light the fires of innovation. We work closely with other organisations to bring new ideas and events to everyone. M-SParc collaborates with industry inside and out. We're helping to support low-carbon initiatives, ICT and digital advances, and the research and development of science and technology. We turn startups into SMEs that keep growing and invest inwards. We can help businesses that aren't science or technology too. Access to our Enterprise Hub means that we can support any company right from the beginning, ensuring our tenant companies have the environment to grow with us all. We believe M-SParc should add to the community, and we help bring science and technology to children, increase skills in the workforce, and support women in industry. While we're doing all this, we make sure everyone has fun and help to bring the Welsh language to new speakers, joining Welsh language and innovation. M-SParc is a place where business happens and relationships are made. We have a calendar full of inspirational events. We know businesses and communities need money. At M-SParc, we bring investors face-to-face with potential partners and show businesses where grants or investment can be found. We're connected with bodies across the UK, and beyond that will help connect and increase success. We create well-paid careers in new sectors to the region, continually developing and fostering skills, and add variety to the economy and industry. We are not a building. We're people, making things happen. We're M-SParc.